Hey guys, Zorba is awesome back here again, and today I'm going to be let's playing some more Rhythm Paradise Megamix Demo version. Now I have kind of explained. Now I tried everything I could to get Challenge Land to work, and it wouldn't work. I did what I could, I swear down, and I'm sorry about it. So today we're going to be playing through the demo again, like the main demo again, this time with simple buttons. We already did simple tap, so we'll do button press this time. So how'd you do? Sorry, I mean hi, my name is Tibby. Thanks for downloading my demo. Yeah, I'm not going to go into too much detail about the main demo this time around, because I already did in part 1. I still think it's just dumb and stupid that the demo version can't do multiplayer unless the second player is using the demo. I still think that's stupid. But I've got a plan for multiplayer if you want to see multiplayer regardless. I do have a plan for it. Just gonna have to resort to the full version. Lucky thing I have 2 copies of it. Well, if I just had the one, then I'd be able to use download play as well, so there's that. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next mini game. And there we go. If I do multiplayer, I will still say I will count it as Let's Play Rhythm Paradise Megamix Demo. There we go, got some coins in Tibby's afro. Yes, I know that wig is fake. I know it's fake, Tipson. Is that his last name? I don't think so. Ringside. Thanks for your time. I'll see you after your match. Good luck. Okay. Yes, advertise the full version even though we can't get it in the eShop anymore. All the best. Not. Rhythm games from previous games have come together on Nintendo 3DS. That's not all. Many new rhythm games, such as this awful one, are also included. Whether you're a long-time fan or new to the series, you'll feel the rhythm. There's much more in the full version. And have fun doing it. Oh, I tried, believe me. And that's it for this demo. Busy about Challenge Land, but I did what I could. All we have left is to show this off. What happens if we hit that? You can connect to Nintendo eShop and purchase the full download version of the game. How cheesy, it actually loads the Nintendo eShop. And this is where you would hit proceed to purchase the full version of this game. Obviously, since the eShop has gone down, that's not an option. But the demo isn't even available for download anymore, so I'm definitely holding on to that. Yes, the eShop description is still here. You can still look at the images. I mean, there is one thing I want to show off. It's not important, not important, not important. Here it is. We all know the story. This is Challenge Land. Barista, yeah, this is just an instruction manual. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this very short Let's Play. See you guys next time with whatever else I can bring you guys. And as always, have a great day. Let's hear the jingle one last time since I'm not doing a Let's Play the full version.